Welcome to our video where we dive into the world of a six-figure social media marketing agency. In this digital age, social media has become an indispensable tool for businesses to connect, engage, and thrive in a fast-paced, competitive landscape. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of success as we reveal the strategies and expertise behind building a thriving agency that drives results and leaves a lasting impact on brands. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Introduction to social media marketing. Social media marketing is the process of using social media platforms to promote products, services, or brands. It's a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their target audience, increase brand awareness, and generate leads and sales. Social media marketing is a powerful and transformative strategy that has become a game changer for businesses in the digital age. As the world increasingly relies on social media platforms for communication, entertainment, and information, brands have recognized the immense potential in leveraging these platforms to reach and engage their target audience effectively. Social media marketing allows businesses to create compelling content, run targeted advertisements, and foster meaningful interactions with their customers. 2. Research and planning. Before diving in, do your research. Study the social media marketing landscape, analyze your competitors, and identify potential opportunities. Decide on the niche you want to focus on. It could be a specific industry or target audience. This will help you tailor your services and stand out in the market. Before launching your social media marketing agency, thorough research is essential to gain insights into the industry and the target market. Conduct market research to understand the current trends, consumer behavior, and the competitive landscape. Analyze the strategies and success stories of established social media marketing agencies to learn from their experiences. Identify the specific niches or industries you want to focus on, as specialization can help you stand out and attract clients looking for expertise in their particular field. 3. Build your portfolio. Building a portfolio for a six-figure social media marketing agency requires a thoughtful curation of your best and most successful projects. Showcase campaigns that have delivered exceptional results, such as increased brand awareness, higher engagement rates, and tangible business growth for your clients. It's essential to demonstrate versatility by featuring work from diverse industries and sectors to illustrate your ability to adapt strategies to various businesses. Include key metrics and data to highlight the impact of your efforts, such as follower growth, click-through rates, conversions, and ROI. Engaging visual presentation and concise case studies can help potential clients understand your expertise and the value you bring to the table, making them more likely to choose your agency for their social media needs. Building a compelling portfolio is crucial for a six-figure social media marketing agency. Start by carefully selecting your best and most successful projects that showcase your expertise and capabilities. Include a diverse range of clients and industries to demonstrate your versatility in handling different types of businesses. 4. Setting up your agency. Setting up a six-figure social media marketing agency involves several crucial steps. Begin by conducting comprehensive market research to identify your target audience, potential competitors, and industry trends. This knowledge will help you define your niche and determine the specific services you will offer to stand out in the market. Next, create a solid business plan outlining your agency's mission, vision, and revenue-generating strategies. Register your business, obtain any necessary licenses, and set up a professional website to showcase your services and portfolio. Invest in building a strong online presence through social media platforms, content marketing, and SEO to attract potential clients. Cultivate relationships with influencers and industry professionals to expand your network and gain credibility. 5. Marketing your agency. To market your agency effectively and achieve six-figure success in the social media marketing industry, focus on multiple strategies. Start by creating a captivating website that highlights your agency's services, success stories, and client testimonials. Utilize social media platforms not just to promote your clients, but also to showcase your expertise and engage with your audience. Consistently create valuable and informative content on your blog and social media channels to position yourself as an industry thought leader. Collaborate with influencers and other businesses to expand your reach and credibility. Offer free webinars, workshops, or downloadable resources to attract potential clients and demonstrate your expertise. 6. Networking and collaboration. Networking and collaboration are key strategies for a six-figure social media marketing agency to expand its reach, build credibility, and secure valuable partnerships. Engaging in networking events, industry conferences, and online communities allows you to connect with potential clients, fellow marketers, and industry influencers. Building relationships with like-minded professionals can lead to referrals and collaborative opportunities, where you can combine strengths to offer comprehensive solutions to clients. Collaborating with influencers or complementary businesses can widen your agency's audience and establish you as an authority in the field. By fostering a strong network and actively seeking collaboration opportunities, your agency can position itself for growth and success in the competitive social media marketing landscape. 7. Deliver exceptional results. Delivering exceptional results is a cornerstone of a successful six-figure social media marketing agency. To achieve this, the agency must have a thorough understanding of clients' goals and target audience. By crafting tailored and data-driven social media strategies, the agency can effectively increase brand awareness, engagement, and conversions. Consistent monitoring and analysis of campaign performance are essential to identify areas for improvement and capitalize on successful tactics. Proactive communication with clients to provide regular updates and progress reports fosters trust and transparency. Additionally, staying updated on industry trends and adapting strategies accordingly ensures the agency remains at the forefront of social media marketing innovation. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.